I'm hyperactive at the Outback. Hyperactive at the Outback. If you haven't seen this movie, you should. Bloomin' onion. Look at that bubble. Look at, poke it. Whoa. Let's see this. When you watch this footage, you're gonna see me do something really stupid. You didn't catch just now. That's right. Hey, that's mine. I know. You just spilled water. We're laughing. Thank you very much. You're very welcome.
Anyway.
Douchebag. Dude, that one. Okay. I like the hand rub. I think we should just leave it at that. Like, just like we throw it down as if it's gonna. So anyway, we throw it down. Do you know what you guys have to see?
What?
I completely forgot the name of it.
Okay.
So that doesn't help.
Zombieland.
No, not in Zombieland. But that's something you do have to see.
I was waiting for that. Whenever you say something and then they're like, that, and then you're like, no.
No, but yeah.
I do that a lot.
You said do?
So she shows him the voodoo doll or whatever, and there's a slew of comments on that video on how stupid she is and blah 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 and rah rah rah.
Haters.
And then, yeah, exactly, haters. Because she wasn't being bad, like it was fine, it was funny.
Wait, what was it? Why were they being so mean now?
Because she showed him a little like voodoo doll of him that she made, but like it was funny. And she had made a video with that doll like doing things or whatever.
Right.
But like, so she does that, and in one of the comments, it was like this person, and it said, oh yeah, in Britain it's like, hey, I really like your band, can I have a picture? And in America it's like, oh my god, I love your band, your hair is so sexy, can I have a picture? Oh my god.
Wow.
I was like, And then like this one other one says, yeah, Americans are always so over the top. No offense to you guys, it's just a clash of cultures. And the username, Emily Von Grimm. I'm like, I wanted to comment like, yeah, says the girl who replaced her last name with Joshua's. Like, honestly, hypocrisy. Are you not eating it?
No.
Not at all? Don't be a pansy.
I can't.
Help me out, come on. We can do this together. We're doing this together.
I can't do it.
We're doing it. Let's get the top. Let me go get this. Oh no!
Damn it. Oh. I'm really full.
Help now! Do it! Do it! You pansies, eat!
I feel like there's no camera. You do this.
You just said the magic word, man. Don't ever call me pansy.
Pansy. Eat. Slurp it. She's crying. While she eats it. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. You eat it. Look at me. Don't look at me. You're like shaking.
I hope you're happy. The ice cream gives me Parkinson's.
Leaving out back. Good times. Look at Alana. She's tortured. I'm so Alana, you have earned the right to be not called a pansy.
Ah, yes. Let's start a war. Start a nuclear war. At the gay bar, gay bar, gay bar. Wow! gay bar. Do you have any money? I wanna spend all your money
Video.
at the gay bar, gay bar, gay bar.
No. No, well, because of the car. Hamster. Hamster. Right to left, right to left.
Cowbell.
I want something
To put in you. I want something to put in you. I want something to put in you. At the gay bar, gay bar, gay bar.
Cliche with zombies.